students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 8 class 9 Cbse motion. In this, today I am discussing speed, instantaneous speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed, and next velocity, instantaneous velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, last average velocity. Okay, speed, instantaneous speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed. In velocity, instantaneous velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity. Next, now let us discuss one by one. Speed. In a simple definition, distance travelled by a unit time is known as speed, or rate of distance is known as speed. Or distance travelled by a body in unit time is known as speed, or is called speed. Speed is equals to distance by time. What is speed? Rate of distance is known as speed, or distance travelled by a body in a unit time is called speed. Speed is equals to distance by time. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Next, units. Speed is equals to distance by time. Cgs unit of speed is, Cgs unit of distance is centimeter, Cgs unit of time is second, or we can write it as centimeter second inverse. And SI unit of distance is meters, SI unit of time is second. Meter by second or meter second inverse. Now next, come to instantaneous speed. At particular instant of time, we are measuring the instantaneous speed. For example, speedometer. By using speedometer, we are measuring the at particular instant of time speed. So, that is why it is known as instantaneous speed. At particular instant of time, at particular instant of time, we are measuring speed. That is known as instantaneous speed. Example, speedometer. Okay. Next come to uniform speed. Uniform nothing but equal distances, equal time intervals. When a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with uniform speed. For example, a rotating fan. A rotating fan is example for uniform speed. Okay, what is uniform speed? Once again we will discuss. When a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with uniform speed. Uniform nothing but same. Here what are the quantities should be same, distances and intervals of time should be equal distance in equal intervals of time. That is why we are calling this is uniform speed. Example, we are taking example a rotating fan. Rotating fan considers the uniform speed. Next, go for non-uniform speed. Non-uniform nothing but unequal distances in equal intervals of time, or equal distances unequal intervals of time. Okay. Now we will write the definition for non-uniform speed. When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, or equal distances unequal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Now we will write the definition for non-uniform speed. When a body covers unequal distances, here we have to remember in uniform speed we are writing equal distances. Here in this non-uniform speed, unequal distances in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Okay, understood? I think once again we will revise this. Non-uniform speed nothing but when a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Example, a train starting from the station. Starting it is going slowly, and again when you are reaching the destination it moves very fast. So that is why a train starting from the station. This is a example for non-uniform speed. Next, average speed. Average speed nothing but ratio between total distance travelled by total time taken. So, average speed denotion as V average. V average is equals to total distance travelled by total time taken. So, average speed is the ratio of total distance and total time taken. Next, till now what we discussed, what is speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed. Now let us discuss velocity. Rate of, simple definition for velocity is rate of displacement is known as velocity. Rate of displacement is known as velocity, or rate of change of motion in a specified direction is known as velocity. Another definition of velocity is rate of change of motion in a specified direction is known as velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. Velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. Next, velocity is a vector quantity, and Cgs and SI unit of velocity are same. Cgs unit of velocity is centimeter per second. Cgs and SI units of speed and velocity are same. Cgs unit of speed is centimeter per second. Cgs unit of velocity is also centimeter per second. Why? Because distance and displacement have the same units. So that's why Cgs unit of velocity is also equal to centimeter by second or centimeter second inverse. SI unit of velocity is also equal to meters by second or meter second to the power of minus 1 or meter second inverse. Next come to instantaneous velocity. At particular instant of time we are measuring the velocity, that is known as instantaneous velocity. At particular instant of time we are measuring the velocity is known as instantaneous velocity. Next, kinds of velocity. One is uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity nothing but when a body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with uniform velocity. In uniform speed we are writing equal distances. In uniform velocity we are mentioning the equal displacements. So what is uniform velocity? When a body covers uniform velocity nothing but equal displacements. When a body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with uniform velocity. Next, non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform nothing but unequal displacements in equal intervals of time. When a body covers unequal displacements in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with non-uniform velocity. When a body covers unequal displacements in equal intervals of time, however small intervals may be, then the body is said to be moving with non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity. Next, now uniform nothing but equal displacements in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform nothing but unequal displacements in equal intervals of time. And the next, average velocity. Average velocity nothing but the ratio of total displacement by total time taken. Average velocity is equals to total displacement by total time taken. So now in this video we discussed speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, instantaneous speed, average speed, and velocity uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, instantaneous velocity, average velocity. Okay.